guys? Rocker from Rocker. Today, I'm going to show you guys my old hair dryer I have for a year. I never, ever sell it. So, if you want this hair dryer, you'll have to contact me. So let's go in 3, 2, 1. This is my old hair dryer. If you actually, and it costs like $4. Here is the front of it. Here's the side of it. Here's the other side of it. Here's the switch. Here's cold. Let me get my finger out here. And here's cold. And wait, here's cold, warm, and hot. Low and high. Hey, I'm going to show you guys how this works. So, hang on, let me get up. Hang on. Wait. Alright. Let me put this in. Let me turn the light on. Do not. Warning. If you put this in the water, it will destroy it. It might kill you. So, let me set this on the floor. And it's off. So, let me plug her in. Alright. Here's low. You see the fan spinning, and over here is spinning good. And here's high. Here's fast. Alright, let me go on warm. Warm feels good. Feels good on me. And here's hot. Here's high on warm. That's pretty cool. And let's go to hot on warm. Here's high on warm. And there's hot on high. So, oh, sorry guys. And when you unplug it and shut down the lights. And when you put my hair dryer right here. So, if you want this hair dryer, just go ahead and go to Rocker. Just go to Rocker. If you want this, go to my channel and see it. If you want it, here's my zip code. No, I don't want you guys to get my zip code. If you want this, go ahead and come find me. All right. So, give me a like, subscribe, and I don't have no comments yet. Just contact me. So, thanks for watching. Bye.